From AAPHR, we would like to see today the new slide with respect to the joining process HOP, that is an HR SOP. Hope we will like this. We are trying to clarify about what is a joining process flow. It is basically an first day activity of a new joinee by a new joinee as well as by an HR person. So we would like to cover here the induction process and orientation process both. I have a SOP or a flow chart out here. It starts with an first day of the organization, that is the of a new joinee. A new joinee comes to the office onto the first day. The all sort of document has to be collected by an HR person or a concerned authority. This will include his updated CV, certificates, ID proof or address proof, and the latest photographs, previous employment certificates, and the last drawn salary slip, if in case of any experienced person is joining at the organization. Filling of different forms. This will include the HR related forms, the statutory compliance related forms, bank account opening forms, etc. A particular new joinee kit has to be given to a new joinee. This will include a different sort of HR and the company level policies, employee manual, different SOPs with respect to the specific function or the department in which a new joinee is getting joined at. The next part is user data updation by an HR person. This will also include the different intimation has to be given to the account team as well as to the respective teams. So if we talk about the specific induction process or a PPT, it has to be given by an HR or the concerned authority. This might be an after this the intimation to the different departments that the person is joined at the organization level, and this is what the designation of a particular person or a functional level activities he or she is going to perform. So normally a welcome email has been sent out at the HR's level. The next step would be in terms of appointment letter sign off and introduction with the respective team or a department. The orientation process starts out here. This would be an inclusion of all the detailing of the JDs of a particular position, its KRAs, KPIs, and the performance evaluation methodology. So entire data has to be making it available to a new joinee as well as to the team. New joinee feedback has to be collected by an HR person with respect to the how the entire induction and the orientation process has been executed in terms of the further improvisation. So updating HR at the HR end. This would also include the verification of the documents which have been collected by an HR person, updating into the main HR database, updating and the intimation to the accounts team with respect to the CTC or a salary part. So it is again an updations of the database with respect to the what is the probation period, what is the confirmation clauses, and what are all the points in with respect to the performance evaluation. It is periodic review and the feedback from the new joinee by an HR team has to be collected and need to be stored for an HR audit purpose. So here we end with a particular process. Practical timeline for this. So entire thing has to be concluded onto the same day or maximum by next day if at all any appointment letter sign off has been pending out. So total timeline has been considered right from the first day of the induction and the orientation process, and it should not go more than. So here we are concluding it with the entire process flow of the joining process flow, that is the first day at the organization of a new joinee. Thank you.